Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your website project from Neocities on X, formerly known as Twitter, in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your Neocities account, click into username in the top right and choose edit. Here guys, navigate to your site's HTML project, click into edit to edit it. And once you're ready to share it, return to that menu, click into that share button, click into Twitter, make sure that you're logged in with your Twitter/X account, and you will be redirected to that to a text like this. And then of course you can customize that. You will see the link here, and then what you want to do is set the visibility in the top left. For example, I don't know, if you're in a community here, you can share it in there or for everyone in your audience. Save it as a draft here. Insert more media by clicking into this button, like images, for example. And that's it. Click into post to post it on your timeline on X. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.